Alright, Namaste everyone, and welcome back to our interview series where we are solving a bunch of coding, non coding interview questions for data science, data analyst, and machine learning jobs. So, today we have an SQL question from Amazon, and the difficulty level is easy. So, the question is pretty straightforward to be honest. It says that given the table player's login, for each video game player, find the latest date when they logged in. Okay, so let's look at the table. So the table has just two features, player ID and their login date, right? So a player could log in multiple times at different rates, which is why we can see multiple entries for every player, right? So what do we need to find? Latest date when they logged in. Okay, so when did they log in last? Basically that, right? So select from players login, group by player ID, and we want, so what we've done is we've grouped, since there were multiple entries for each player ID, we've grouped all the entries with similar player IDs, and from that what we need is the latest date. So we would need max of login date and of course the player ID, right? Let's run the code. Oops. Logins. Alright. So we have for every player the last date that they logged in on, right? Let's check it as well. Boom. We have the correct answer. Alright. So this question was fairly straightforward. We just fetched the player ID and max of login date, which gave us the last date. If it would have asked the first date, then we would do a min from the table and we group by on every player ID. Alright. So hope you enjoyed this and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.